Hi, this property is for sale. So here's the frontage of the property. It is along the road. And this is the main building. It is a one-floor property with a lot area of 6,389 square meter. And this is the frontage of the property, frontage of the house. In the right side, there's a living area. So this is the living area. And this area is going to the master bedroom. To the end part is the master bedroom. And in this area is a dining. That's a dining table in the dining area. And this door is going to, this area is going to the guest room. And the center is the fountain, water fountain. And this door is going to the kitchen. There's some small storage here. And this door is going to the parking area. And this is going to the center of the house is the fountain. And here's the kitchen. The property is for sale. It's fully furnished. It's a Mediterranean style. As you can see, the kitchen is a little bit good and big. All things inside is included in the package except for the personal things. That's the fountain, water fountain area. And here's the guest room. The bed. An extra bed. And the toilet and bath. And this is going to the lobby area. That's the kitchen area, the dining, and this is the living area. And this is a small office. In the left side is the storage, but you cannot see it's locked. This is the table with chairs, and that one is the storage, and some for books shelves. And this is the powder room. And this room is the second guest room. The main house has 4 bedrooms and 4 toilet with 1 powder room. So this room with own toilet and bath. And this is the cabinet. And here is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a peaceful area and a quiet. That's bed with sofa. And the master bedroom has a small table, ceiling fan, and has a balcony. And this side, a lot of bearing fruits tree. Some birds are flying here, and it's a very peaceful area. And this door is going to the closet, walk-in closet. This is the cabinet. And here's the mirror and tables. And this is the shower, toilet, and the other side is the bathtub. That's the bathtub. So now we're going to the basement. So this area on the property is in the back side. So there's a stairs going to the basement. The basement has 1 room with toilet and bath. That's the stairs. And here is the common toilet and bath. And this room is for drivers or the caretaker of the house. They are living here. Now there's a space here. You can use it as a multi-purpose area. You can design it or like a playing area, music area. And the back is a lot of space, a big land in the back. So that's in the basement area. You can see it's a big space in the backside. Here is the back area in the, you can see in the video that in the back, so it's a open space, so it's a big space here. And now here's the second house in the back side. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. And this is situated in the back of the property. So the front of the house in the back side. So is the main door, and this is going to the kitchen. And side of the kitchen there's a common toilet and bath, similar to powder room. This is also living area, dining area, and kitchen. So there's a few stairs going to the room. It's 4 steps. And this room is the first guest room with bed frame. And this is the another guest second room. The small room among the 3. And here is the master bedroom on the second building. And this room has on toilet and bath. So if you have some comments and some concern and clarification, you can call or text me at 639298903 This number is available on WhatsApp and Viber. Thank you very much.